You're now locked in to Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Amara Sol. The longest night without you. Sweet reggae music. Jamwave Radio. The room feels quiet after midnight. Every shadow looks the same. I keep thinking of your laughter, calling softly through my name. Every moment that we share still lingers in the air. Now the silence speaks so loud, since you're no longer here. This is the longest night without you. Time moves slowly through the dark. Every hour feels like forever since the day we broke apart. This is the longest night without you, but my heart still holds your name. Though the distance stands between us, my love will stay the same. Close and true. Though the road feels hard tonight, I keep hope within my sight. Maybe someday love will lead our hearts back to the light. This is the longest night without you. Time moves slowly through the dark. Every hour feels like forever since the day we broke apart. Always remember, never forget, I will wait. Sweet reggae music, till that day my heart will Jamwave Radio. When I think about the days gone by, memories begin to rise. Every laugh and every smile made the journey worth the while. Though the seasons come and go, there are things we always know. Love we shared will always stay, lighting up my way. Always remember, never forget, never forget every moment since we met. Boy, your love still lives in me like a timeless melody. Always remember, never forget, never forget every promise we have kept. Through the years our hearts remain bound together just the same.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall. Every word you used to Just believe and find your way. Every sacrifice you made, every tear you wiped away, built the woman that I am, standing here today. Mama, I love you dearly, more than words can say. Every prayer you whispered still protects me every day. If I could give the world to you, it still would not repay all the love you gave so freely every single day. Mama, I love you dearly, forever I will say. No matter where life leads me, your love will always stay. Amara Sol, smarter than you think. Sweet reggae music, Jamwave Radio. They may look and never know all the strength you really show. Every lesson through the years built your wisdom through the tears. Though they doubt the road you take, you were never made to break. Deep inside your heart and mind, there is treasure they won't find. You're smarter than you think, stronger than they know. Every seed inside your soul still has room to grow. You're smarter than you think, brighter than the day. Keep your head up through the storm, you'll find your way.
The digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Every trial taught you more, opened up another door. Every fall that brought you pain helped you rise and stand again. You don't need to prove your worth, you were born with sacred words. Da 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 da. The days gone by, sometimes I just sit and cry. All the love you gave to me still lives in my memory. Every lesson that you taught, every battle that you fought, made me stronger day by day. Even though you've gone away, these are the tears I cry for mama, falling from my eyes tonight. Every prayer I send to heaven, hoping that you're shining bright.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Yeah. Amara Sol, the tears I cry for mama, sweet reggae music, Jamwave Radio. When I think about the days gone by, sometimes I just sit and cry. All the love you gave to me still lives in my memory. Every lesson that you taught, every battle that you fought, made me stronger day by day. Even though you've gone away, these are the tears I cry for mama, falling from my eyes tonight. Every prayer I send to heaven, hoping that you're shining bright. These are the tears I cry for mama, but your love still guides my way. Every word you spoke with kindness lives inside my heart today. sacrifice you made still protects me every day. Though the road feels hard sometimes, I remember all your signs telling me to stand up strong and keep moving on. These are the tears I cry for mama, falling from my eyes tonight. Every prayer I send to heaven, hoping that you're shining bright. Though the years keep passing by, your love will never die. Every step I take in life, I feel you by my side. There are words I never told you.
You're now locked in to Jam Wave Radio.
Thoughts I kept inside. Every feeling I was hiding, every tear I tried to hide. Pages filled with quiet longing, lines I never showed. Every letter that I wrote was a truth I never told. These are letters never sent, words that heaven knows. Every line still holds your name. Every feeling shows. These are letters never sent, but my heart still speaks. All the love I never said lives in memories. Every moment left unspoken still lives in my mind. Every dream we never shared still feels hard to find. If I could turn the hands of time, I'd speak the words so clear, tell you all the love I carry, all the years you were near. These are letters never sent, words that heaven knows. Every line still holds your name. Every feeling shows. Though the paper fades away and the ink begins to dry, every truth I never said still lives inside. Now these are letters never sent, but my heart still speaks. All the love I never said
Since you've been gone,
lives in memory.
Jam Wave Radio. The house feels quiet every day. Since the moment you walked away, every memory fills the air, reminding me you were there. I still hear your laughter near, like an echo in my ear. Every step I take alone feels so empty since you're gone. Since you've been gone, my heart keeps calling your name. Every night feels so long, nothing feels the same. Since you've been gone, since you've been gone, since you've been gone.
Jamwave Radio.
Since you remind me of you, all the dreams we said we'd do, pictures hanging on the wall, still remember it all. Though the distance keeps us apart, you're still living in my heart. Every prayer I say tonight, hoping you'll be alright. Since you've been gone, my heart keeps calling your name. Every night feels so long, nothing feels the same. If tomorrow brings you home, I'll never let you go. Till that day I keep believing love will find its way again. Since you've been gone, my heart keeps calling your name. Every night feels so long, nothing feels the same. Since you've been gone, since you've been gone, since you've been gone, since you've been gone. Amara Sol, more love than you know. Sweet reggae music, Jamwave Radio. When the road feels hard to follow and your heart begins to doubt, when the weight upon your shoulders makes it hard to figure out, there are voices full of kindness, there are hearts that stand with you. Even when you cannot see it, there is love that still rings true. You're more love than you know. Even when you feel alone, every step along the way, there's a light to guide you home. You're more love than you know, more than words can ever show.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio.
Even through the darkest night, love will always glow. Every tear you try to hide, every struggle that you face, only shows the strength within you, only shows your inner grace. Though the world may feel uncertain and tomorrow seems unclear, there are arms that hold you steady, there are hearts that keep you near. You're more love than you know. Even when you feel alone, every step along the way, there's a light to guide you home. Hold your faith and keep believing. Every storm will fade away. Love is stronger than the sorrow, brighter than the break of day. You're more love than you know.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital
More
home
than
of
words
reggae
can
and
ever
dancehall.
show. Even through better days must come, love will always glow. Sweet reggae music, Jamwave Radio. Sometimes life feels heavy on the soul, like a story left untold. Every struggle that we face leaves another test of faith. Through the dark we keep
thought a love like this could ever come my way. Boy, your touch feels like sunshine at the break of day. Every moment when you're near, all my doubts disappear. Like the ocean meets the shore, I keep loving you more. Love like this feels so rare, magic in the air. Every time you hold me close, I forget my cares. Love like this feels so true, everything feels new. Boy, your love is all I need. My heart belongs to you. Hear the bass line moving slow, feel the sweet rhythm flow. Every whisper that you say, take my fears away. Underneath the moonlight glow, boy, your love continues to grow. Every heartbeat in this song, tell me where I belong. Love like this feels so rare, magic in the air. Every time you hold me close, I forget my cares. Love like this feels so true, everything feels new. Boy, your love is all I need. My heart belongs to you. Through the sunshine and the rain, boy, our love will still remain. With every step we take in time, your heart will stay with mine. Love like this feels so rare, magic in the air. Every time you hold me, Amara Sol, I forget my Jamaican radio. Love like this feels so true, everything feels new. Boy, your love is all I need. My heart belongs. From the moment that I saw your face, my heart found a special place. Every word that you say to me feels like pure harmony. Through the sunshine and the rain, our love will always remain. Every day my love grows strong, with you is where I belong. Your love is the sweetest devotion.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Amara Sol, Jamwave Radio. Ooh, are you? From the moment that I saw your face, my heart found a special place. Every word that you say to me feels like pure harmony. Through the sunshine and the rain, our love will always remain. Every day my love grows strong, with you is where I belong. Your love is the sweetest devotion, like waves on a gentle ocean, holding me close tonight. And every feel so love is the sweetest devotion, a never-ending emotion. Forever I'll stay true. My heart belongs to you. Ah. When the stars shine in the sky, I see your love shining bright. Every dream we share together makes my soul feel light. No matter where we may roam, your heart will always be home. Every whisper that you say takes my worries away. Your love is the sweetest devotion, like waves on a gentle ocean, holding me close tonight. Everything feels so love is the sweetest devotion, a never-ending emotion. Forever I'll stay true. like nobody really cares. But inside your heart is courage, even when the tears appear. There's a fire deep within you, strong enough to face your fears. You're stronger than you seem.
You're now locked in to Jam Wave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Stronger than you seem. Sweet reggae music, Jam Wave Radio. Sometimes the road feels hard to walk, and the weight feels hard to bear. Every step feels slow and heavy, like nobody really cares. But inside your heart is courage, even when the tears appear. There's a fire deep within you, strong enough to face your fears. You're stronger than you seem, even when your world feels torn. Every storm will pass away, and a brighter day is born. You're stronger than you seem, though the road may twist and bend. Keep believing in your strength, and your heart will rise again. Every struggle shapes a spirit, every trial makes you grow. Though the night feels long and lonely, there is more than you may know. Every dream inside your soul still has wings enough to fly. Hold the faith within your heart, let your spirit rise high. You're stronger than you seem, even when your world feels torn. Every storm will pass away, and a brighter day is born.
You're now locked into Jam Wave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Stand up tall and face the day. Let your fears just fade away. All the strength you need to rise lives within your heart and mind. You're stronger than you seem, even when your world feels torn. Every storm will pass away, and a brighter day is born. Sweet reggae music, Jam Wave Radio.
Sometimes I sit in silence, listening to my heart. Every memory of you feels like a work of art. All the moments that we share still live inside my mind. Every word you used to say left a trace behind. These are my thoughts tonight, drifting through my mind. Every dream we left behind, I still hope to find. These are my thoughts tonight, calling out your name. Even though you're far away, my love stays the same. Every song reminds me of the days we knew. Every promise that we made still feels strong and true. Though the road has changed our path and distance stands between, all the love we used to share still lives inside my dreams. These are my thoughts tonight, drifting through my mind. Every dream we left behind, I still hope to find. are the choices that we make. These are my thoughts tonight, calling out your name. Even though you're far away, my love stays the same.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.